Have you ever wondered why music can change your mood instantly? When you listen to a song, the sound waves travel through your ears straight to your brain, and there they activate dopamine, the happiness chemical. That's why a slow, sad song makes you emotional, while a fast beat instantly fills you with energy and excitement. And the most amazing part? Music doesn't just affect emotions, it also lights up the memory and creativity centers of your brain, which means a simple melody can change your entire world. The result, music, isn't just sound, it's a superpower that directly controls your heart and mind.